In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Trust Wallet network fee problem. So the first thing you want to do is open up Trust Wallet, and then in case you are getting this problem, here's what you gotta do. So you want to tap on send, because this is usually gonna happen when you're trying to send something, and I'm gonna just use Solana over here for an example. I'm gonna paste in a random address, and then I'm gonna put in the amount, there we go. And then usually when you click next, and then when this is loading, you'll see the confirmation screen. Once you're trying to tap the confirm button at the very bottom, it's gonna say a network fee problem, network fee error, or something like that. If this does happen, what you can do is, in case it happens, with the transaction at the very top right of your screen, you should see a gear icon. Now, currently I can't see it because this issue is not set to occur, but if it would occur in your situation, you'll see the gear icon top right. You should simply tap on it, and once you tap that, it gives you the ability to basically change the network fee. What you're gonna do is make the network fee just a bit higher than it was, because if you make the network fee a bit higher, it will make the transaction go through quicker and have a better chance of actually it happening rather than not happening. And yeah, that's what you want to do. So tap on the gear icon, basically just up the fee by a very slight bit, and after you do that, you simply want to confirm it, confirm the transaction, and hopefully this will go through and fix your network fee problem. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.